This is Cian's version of helping mommy vacuum. Are you helping mommy, buddy?
High five. Give mommy a high five.
Do high five? Good job.
All done. What does the bird say?
Good
Yeah.
job.
What does the cat say? What does the dog say?
Look at daddy.
Look at Daddy, Cian.
Look at daddy. What does the dog say? Good,
Good
job.
What does the sheep say?
What does the sheep say? Bah. What does the cow say?
Good
Moo.
job. What does the tiger say? What's the tiger
Cian.
say? Look at Daddy.
What's the tiger say?
What's the dinosaur say? Good
How
job.
about a duck? What does a duck say? Bok bok. You had it right
Quack,
first. It was quack quack.
What does the chicken say?
Good
What's your
job.
favorite?
What does a monkey say? What does a monkey say? What does a monkey do?
Good job. Is that all of them? Say yay, Cian.
Cian. Can you say yay? Can you clap? Cian, what does a bear say?
What's the bear say?
Do you know what a bear says? Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Cian.
What does a bear say?
Bear say.
Good job. What does an elephant do?
What's the elephant do, buddy?
Cian, look at daddy.
Daddy.
Is that what an elephant does? Cian,
Do the elephant?
what does an elephant do? Good job.